beautiful day, and but we're packed up, ready to move. But you know what I do? I am about to do that premiere feature on YouTube where I can actually watch the videos with you guys and schedule it where I can comment real time, because many of you have hit me and said, hey, this dude don't interact, he doesn't comment. Hey, if you start a YouTube channel and get 1,000 subscribers, at that point you can't physically respond to every comment. It's like a feed. Every time you hit refresh, there's 1,000+ comments a day. You can't do it. I'm not trying to be an asshole. I cannot do it. I'm a one-man travel show. You know, I'm not. When it comes to editing videos, I'm an idiot. So I spend a lot of time trying to edit this down to put a halfway product. I'm doing my best, but I'm not a genius at editing. It takes me time. So if I sit there and respond to comments all day, videos don't get edited, they don't get uploaded. So I'm going to try this premiere feature out where, you know, it's sort of like the live stream. You have the box over there, so I can try to comment real time. You know, that'll take 30 minutes out of my day, instead of trying to respond to 1,000 comments in a day. But anyhow, folks, so that's a look around my room. My beautiful wife is sitting over here, and everybody says that, oh, you must be beating your wife, you treat this girl so horrible. So I want to give you I want my wife to smile for the camera and let all you guys know, and all you fucking haters out there, that, you know, she's doing quite well, I assure you. Okay, I don't put on a fucking wife beater shirt and beat my wife, as the allegations have come my way multiple times a day. It's fucking hilarious, right? And whatever, you know, whatever. People are under this misconception that if you move away from your home country, especially America, if you're a male and you leave America, then all of a sudden you're on the run from the law and you can't get a woman in America, and you come over here to beat your wife. Folks, it's sad. It's sad that a lot of you males think that. The women, you're gonna hate on me anyhow, because I'm so goddamn sexy, you know, and you're just jealous because you're not with me. I understand why the women want to hate on me, right? You know, the women in America are predominantly fat. Let's call it like it is. The women over here are skinny, slim and trim, beautiful tan bodies. You're jealous. I got it. But when the men hate on me, bro, it's because you guys got no fucking balls and you're jealous, and I understand it. So just bring your hate on. I love it. But for those of you, let me just show you. Let me show you a picture of my smiling wife this morning. Say hello, baby.
Hello.
Say hello to YouTube.
Hello.
Did I beat you this morning?
No.
Okay, well, we'll schedule that as soon as I get done with the video. Get ready for your daily beating, okay? All right. And I think today on the menu, it's either with the belt, or sometimes I like to go with a piece of bamboo. If she's really bad, I like to hit her with the Coco lumber. You know, it's got a lot of heft to it. It's got a little bit of bend, so, you know, don't break the bones. But yeah, so we'll schedule her daily beating after this video. For any of you that are just you're fucking 100% sure, 100% sure that I beat my wife. Where does this shit come from, you know? Where does it come from? You know, I don't know. You know what? Like I said, the comments that come my way, the hatred. I don't think I've laughed this much on a daily basis. Shit. I mean, maybe when my buddies are around, maybe, but like on a daily basis, I have not laughed this much. These comments, it is totally changed. I mean, I hurt that I laugh and I smile so much reading your comments. You know, and some of you guys are just funny as fuck. You should be comedians. You're funnier than me. And some of you are just so sad and pathetic in your own life, and I'm not trying to be an asshole, but I'm just calling it out the way you are, is that you spend all your time pushing your hatred to other people's channels and other people's social media. It's really sad. I mean, it really is. I feel for you, and that's why I established my free hater and troll rehabilitation program, and it is free to join. Just you can scroll and see that I made a video about it. I made a blog post. So if you're a hater and a troll, you need to go watch that video and read my blog post, and it's going to be the first step to you beginning to live a better life. And like I said, all you guys are welcome here. But hey, folks, I got to run because I got to do this premiere, and it usually takes me like an hour to give her a good beating. So I'll catch you guys on the next video. All right. Baby, where's the bamboo stick?
Yeah, bug.
Okay, well look, we apparently left the bamboo, so I gotta go pick up a piece of Coco lumber down here and get to work. Now folks, look, I'm not trying to, I'm not, I just want, is this not the most beautiful girl that you've ever seen in the world? Everybody says I never show my wife, right? But this is the most beautiful girl you've ever seen before in your life. Baby, stand up straight so everybody can see you. Alright, and you can call me a dickhead, whatever. I'm not sticking her in a fucking two-piece bikini or half fucking naked. I just want to show you. This is what I wake up to every day. And everybody wants to meet my wife. This is what I look at every day when she's bringing me a beer, making my coffee. This is the most beautiful girl in the world right here. And oh, by the way, let you in on a secret. Okay, she's fucking pregnant. You believe that shit? So everybody wants to meet my wife. Hey baby, turn around and just say hello to everybody.
Hello.
Okay. There you go, my friends. That's a slice of my world right there. That's what I wake up to every day. And we get along great. We have a great time making these videos. I think, she laughs more than I do, which fucks up the videography a lot. We have to do a lot of take twos, take threes, take fours. Not because we're scripting shit, because she starts laughing and shaking the camera and she'll drop the camera or some shit, So we do have a lot of fun. But that's my beautiful wife. That's what I wake up to every day. I'm very thankful for her. And we get along great. And she knows I am the king. And she treats me like a king. And I treat her like a queen. And that's the fucking way things are supposed to be. Okay? All these nasty attitudes with American women, the way you treat us American males, that's why guys don't want to deal with you. Okay? I don't feel like I need to pay you fucking alimony for life if I divorce you. Okay? And I'll go off on another video talking about this shit. Alright? But fellas, that's what I wake up to every day. Okay? Our relationship isn't perfect. Occasionally we'll have a dispute. And we'll easily settle it and we move forward. And we have a great life. Alright? That's the way it is. And oh, by the way, that bitch is beautiful. So, anyhow, I can't remember your name, man. My buddy on Patreon, you threw down some money and said, hey, man, I just got one request. Can you introduce your wife? So I'm gonna bring her in more to videos, but most of the time she is the camera lady, so she can't be in the video. She's the one holding the camera. But I'll incorporate her a little bit more. But there's a sampling of what I look at every morning when I wake up. And, okay, what else you want to know? She's 20, coming up on 21. So she's not 13, she's not 16, she's not 17. No, my wife's 20, if you're wondering. All right. And, she's getting on up there in age. But that's my wife. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm about to go on this premiere It's not a live stream, but I'm gonna try out this premiere feature. So I hope you guys are there with me on the premiere. Hit you up later.